So ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty, triple or more interpretation, and in some syntactical context, vagueness. Hold on. Duality means rigid distinctions between mind and matter. Mind and body, my apologies. Did I say mind and matter? Mind and body. Monism postulates that these rigid distinctions are... Hold on. See? There you have it. You know, life is quite an unpredictable phenomenon, if you ask me. You know, you have synchronicity and serendipity. You know, synchronicity is when there's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenarios.